It's truck night at Bentley's. And it's early and there's a lot of trucks. I like this one. Oh, they all got them. Well, this guy got it too.
He passed away, I lost it. I got good money for it.
There's the man right there. Hi, Bentley. Hey, who's that with you?
I don't know.
Well, that's a big grill. Not if I got my thumb on it. I like this gray one. I like them all. Here's a Max truck. Here's a Twisted Tea, guys. He's one of Bentley's classic trucks.
More than anything she could ever imagine.
Oh, this is nice. '67 Econoline. Yeah, 86 stepside. Yeah, empty. On empty. Big block. Here's Mario's. Jeep truck.
Isn't that pretty with the plaids there?
It says 472 on it. The Rodfather bought this. Now, jeez. Every time I see him, he buys something new. Boy, that's nice. How you doing? Oh, okay. You want to be in all the shots, huh? Check out this rig. Got a twin turbo something in it. Small block, it looks like. Wow. I'm impressed. Oh, look at this thing coming in. Wow.
I haven't seen this one before. The guys are saying.
I've never seen this one. No, wait a minute. I did see this somewhere. Hemi.
This is a nice girl too.
Oh yeah.
HPH.
HPH. Hemi power, I guess H. I don't know what it. You can only guess. That's the new Ranger.
Is that brand new?
Yeah, well, it's fairly new. Fairly new.
Appreciate your vote, guys.
Nice truck.
So awesome. That's not the worst thing you've ever done tonight.
For certain.
Perfect.
Yep. So good to see you, Jim.
Has the indent, the dimple, across the window function. 36.
He must have hydraulics in it.
It's actually air ride.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, it is. Yeah, he says airbag. It's not hydraulics. That's neat. There's another one of Bentley's classics. Yeah, Joan had tires taller than Joan is.
that one was automatic.
He was in the right place at the right time.
Convertible.
You could fit 3 of these Jags in that dump truck. Here's the Chrysler product, boys. Cross Ram Hemi. Hey, how you doing? All right.
And the last guy.
Four-door shoebox.
Billy, how you doing?
Good, how you doing?
There's another one up here that does not the arrow, it's got the regular one.
Okay.
Yeah.
The Pontiac version is even rarer. This is the Pontiac version.
Well, that's his guy. Oh, yeah.
That one, they only made 1,300. This they made about 5,000.
What?
They take it back and put them under their roof.
Only 200
So, yeah.
Says racing? Sure.
You know,
Here's the 428. Huh? Here's Bears. Vintage campers. Oh, that's the guy in Alfred, I think, that restores them. Yeah, it's the guy in Alfred, ain't it? Yeah. He restores them. Yeah, I know, yeah.
They must have had fun.
That
doing
is
up
neat.
here.
He's got a cobweb for a roof. I saw this at Bentley's Season Ender. That's right. He had it here. There's a girl driving that truck. Bentley's backwards truck. Oh wow. What a nice 442. That looks just like Jerry Styles's when I was young. He had one just like this. Our 442.
It's in good
And a
shape.
GTO next to it. Boy, does that bring back memories.
It's in real good shape.
Jerry Styles. Here's the Ramblin' Man. Crossfire.
Good, you know? For a long night of walk. Yeah, we're still man. You know?
Is he in trouble? You make him good. How are you, man?
Yeah, I see that.
Yeah.
I went by, I went by and saw you out there. I was in.
Oh, good, we get to see this vintage camper.
Yep.
Oh, they always are. Oh, God, we had some fun.
There's my buddy with the 55 Nomad.
How we doing?
Good, how you doing?
Big Block Nomad's back.
Oh yeah, Big Block's back. I haven't seen you much this year. Well, of course it's been raining.
That's just it.
Rain, rain, rain.
That's just it.
Yeah. This guy does a real good job. He's got them lined up there in Alfred. Overhauling them. The old-fashioned countertop. He's still working on it. Still rolling in. Snow go. flipped and customized.
Enjoy.
Oh yeah, take care. I think that's that bond fine, 70. That thing's unreal. That's 70 is like all original. It's unreal. '55 Ford.
Hey, honey, I'm over here.
I love this Ranchero. Got a 427 in it. Little Red Wagon.
Yeah. I just remembered.
I had one just like
Yeah, still rolling in. Truck night at Bent's.
Do you think he's over his truck? I think he's over his truck. Let's go. Emily.
Yeah, they have it once a year. I knew Randy had He's going out. You did a one-wheel peel.
You just straight across it.
But that's just me.
I like this Mac.
I saw that you post, yeah.
That is wild.
You can't own it.
Casket top on the back here.
Yeah, well.
I didn't build it. I can't take it. See you drive in, I'm like, wow, look at that. When's your birthday? Yeah, I do love it. I just bought it. Christmas!
Give me a Julius. Give me a very green. That's what I'm below. $6 a can. That's the right. It peaked.
Oh, I'm sure.
Right there, huh?
It looks like a new Hemi with the old valve covers on it. That's a neat idea. Get the old Hemi valve covers.
That's the Plymouth actually did something right.
Gorgeous.
I don't usually like them upgraded to the newest stuff, but.
Dang, you couldn't even do it too much. It's kind of hard not to like this thing.
Denali proved itself that it's amazing.
Subtle, I like that. Looks like a new interior.
He came up here, people started
Wow.
gravitating towards it.
I love the double scoops on the hood.
Well, I don't know about quick, but she's something. He's something. I don't know what she is. She's something.
Listen.
Here's the Morris Minor.
Managed to trade it for mint blonde. Only a little blonde.
Here's the 70 barn find. $396, $350 horse. Olds Cutlass. Spinner hubcaps on it. $454. Wow.
I know, I can't anyway.
Oh, here's my favorite truck right here. God, I love this thing. They made a body panel in this truck that hasn't been changed. Massaged and modified. Peek the hood. Look at this thing. It is gorgeous.
Yeah.
Guy is a master with metal, I'll tell you. You ought to see the motorcycle he built. Ugh, unbelievable. I've seen him carry it, tow it behind this, but I haven't seen it in quite a long time. Thank God those straps are holding. A truck from Massachusetts.
They're not going to be able to get through there.
No, they're not. They're not gonna, that bump is fine.
Nice Jag. For sale. 15,000. That doesn't sound bad at all.